Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Node 18 Plus and Axiom CLI v2. 1. Once confirmed, create an Axiom API key with right scope and copy it. Next, install the NovaBot package using npm. That gives you the runtime and commands. Open your project folder, set Axiom API KEY in your environment, and initialize Nova with the CLI helper. This first sequence ensures authentication and local tooling are ready so subsequent configuration applies to your live workspace without interruptions. Once done, scaffold Nova's configuration by running Nova init. It creates bot, JSON, and integration templates. Configure your datasets by mapping incoming fields to Axiom dataset names and selecting types so queries run correctly. Then define triggers. Choose webhooks for real-time, schedules for polling, or event hooks for pipeline stages. Make sure to test one trigger locally with sample payloads. This confirms field mappings and access. When triggers are solid, link logging and telemetry so you can trace execution in Axiom. You deploy NovaBot using Nova deploy and monitor CLI logs for immediate errors. After deployment, execute live tests by sending representative events and confirm entries appear in the configured datasets. This validates end-to-end flow. If something fails, first verify the API key and permissions, then check CORS or webhook endpoint reachability, and finally inspect field type mismatches between payload and dataset. If you still see issues, enable verbose logging and reproduce a failing event to capture stack traces for rapid diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.